Play. What's that? That's just a walnut. What? Oh, look at those smaller details. Okay, that look play. Okay, it doesn't look. Okay, my mind is a little bit dirty, I think. What is she doing? It doesn't look good now. Okay, my mind is just fucked. Don't do it. Play. Making art using mirrors and lasers. Okay. Small mirrors. What's the final? I'm curious to see. What's the final result? Okay. Okay, with a swag. Pikachu. That look. Play. Okay, my largest portrait made by cracking glasses. Okay. I will not recommend you to do this thing. If you are expert, of course you can do it. It looks cool. It looks cool. Play. What is guy going to do? Okay. He's just using. Okay. He's just using the same cardboard and things that you can have on your home. Adding some eyes to. Ooh. Okay. The demon is just doing something with him. That. Okay. Using cardboards. He's adding some eyes to it. Okay, that looks like a face. That was great, man. Yeah, okay. He's going for expert legend mode with that cardboards, man. Ah,